Hi, Hola, Bonjour, Salaam, and welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. Today, we are proud to present a comprehensive look at a key component in our latest engineering design project, a fixed blade for a shredder machine, meticulously modeled and assembled using SolidWorks. This fixed blade is an integral part of the shredding mechanism, designed to work in tandem with rotating blades to efficiently tear through various types of materials. At Blueprint Bazaar, we focus on precision engineering, and this blade reflects our commitment to quality, functionality, and CAD excellence. The modeling process began with a deep understanding of the shredder's operational requirements. We started by designing the core profile of the blade using SolidWorks sketch tools, making sure every edge, slot, and notch was precisely aligned for optimal interaction with the rotating cutter. The geometry was then extruded and refined with additional features such as chamfers and fillets to reduce stress concentrations and facilitate easy assembly. Special attention was given to the mounting holes and positioning elements to ensure perfect alignment and firm attachment to the shredder frame. One of the highlights of this blade is its robust design. It features a thick body that resists bending, along with sharp, durable edges capable of handling materials ranging from plastic and rubber to lightweight metals. Using SolidWorks simulation tools, we evaluated the structural integrity of the blade under various load conditions. These tests allowed us to make informed decisions about material selection and design enhancements, leading to a more reliable and longer-lasting component. This fixed blade is just one part of our larger shredder machine project, but it plays a vital role in the overall functionality of the system. It stands as a testament to the capabilities of modern CAD software like SolidWorks when combined with solid engineering principles. At Blueprint Bazaar, we strive to bridge the gap between digital design and real-world applications by bringing high-quality, functional components like this to life through innovation and attention to detail. Whether you're an engineer, designer, student, or simply someone who enjoys the world of machines and mechanics, we hope this model inspires your creativity and adds value to your understanding of industrial design. Stay tuned for more components from our Shredder Machine series, and don't forget to follow us for more SolidWorks assemblies, tutorials, and CAD inspiration. Thank you for visiting Blueprint Bazaar, where every design tells a story of engineering excellence.